Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, September 24th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having apple fritter and sausage. For lunch, we're having fish nuggets. Monday for breakfast, we'll have chicken biscuits, and lunch, we'll have chicken fajitas. Attendance, please continue to post your attendance to Schoology. Also, masks. Everyone should be wearing a mask. Everyone should be bringing a mask from home each day. It is part of our uniform. It is your responsibility, students, to bring a mask. Late duty today is going to be covered by our 5th grade teachers. Important dates. September 24th is today. We are going gold for childhood cancer. October 6th, our ACAP reflection forms are due from grades 2 through 5. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is teacher work day. No school for students. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. Today we are going gold for Maddie and childhood cancer. We are doing this in honor of Childhood Cancer Awareness Month and our student Madeline Franklin, who lost her battle with cancer last year. So today we are excited to see lots of students wearing their gold shirts and their regular uniform bottoms. We should still have bracelets available for $1, so ask your teacher about getting you a bracelet if you brought in $1, so $1 to wear the yellow shirt donation and $1 for the bracelet. So we are collecting that money today, and it will be a donation from all of our students to go to St. Jude's Children's Hospital in honor of Madeline Franklin. We also still have the school fundraiser that's happening, so if you haven't brought in your envelope with your code yet, you can do that and get your little animal. So you'll send those up in the snack bag and it will be sent back to you. We have a few AR reminders. Students, remember when you request books, you should read them, then test on them, and then return them. Many students are requesting books and they're not reading them or taking a test. So you go into Destiny and you find a book that looks interesting. Make sure you read it and take that test before you send it back. Our word of the day is equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value. So if you look at our example here, we have 3 different fraction bars that are all exactly the same length. However, they're divided into different numbers of pieces. So we have the first one, which is divided into 2 pieces, and it shows that we've colored in half of the bar. The next one we have divided into 4 pieces. 2 out of 4 are colored in, and that's still 2 out of 4 is the same amount as 1/2 of that bar. The last example, it's the bar is divided into 8 pieces, and 4 pieces out of 8 is shaded in. 1/2 is the same amount as 2/4 is the same amount as 4/8. All of those are equivalent fractions. They are equal to each other. They have the same value. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.